Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change workspace name on Slack. So let's start. First, open your Slack workspace and click on the workspace name in the top left corner of the screen. This will open a menu with a list of options. Here, click on the settings and administration. In this left hand menu, click on this edit workspace details. In this window, you will see the current name of your workspace. To change it, simply delete the current workspace name and enter the new name in this box. For example, let's name it New Slack. Once done, click on the Save button. After that, your workspace name will be updated immediately and you will see the new name in the top left corner of the screen. Take note that to change the name of your workspace on Slack, you will need to be an admin or owner of the workspace. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to change workspace name on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much, and I'll see you on the next video.